so markets to the money market, and Will comes in with the details.
Good morning, Nini.
Will, good morning. Profit taking continued.
Yes, we just bounce off what you were having, the conversation you were having with the Dangote gas. Yeah. It was more like FX issues, the pressures of the FX taking a toll on the consumer goods sector. We did see Guinness, we did see Cadbury.
All of them, I think, by the time you look at their statement, I was expecting to see it in the CBN statement.
You know, but you see that.
I did not say anything.
You didn't say anything. But you know, yesterday they recovered. You saw Dangote. I mean, the consumer goods sector. You know, taking up yesterday more than 40.
I think was it Dangote again?
Yeah, I think the Bois cement. No, Dangote. I think
it was sugar, Dangote. Yeah, it was Dangote sugar going up
yesterday. So you did see that they're recovering, and investors are bargain hunting and taking advantage of low prices to boost those shares in that sector, in that segment. So it's really a good thing for investors.
But we need more FX anyway.
Yes, we do need more FX. And yesterday, didn't you see that the markets kind of like closed? We had two closes yesterday. First of all, we had
and then we had the late
trading that brought it to
because when I reported the markets yesterday, it was down 0.18%,
and we had that after hours trade, which brought it further down 0.44%. It is really a massive.
I think some investors were waiting somewhere just to take some profit.
Oh, is it inflation jitters coming and saying, "Oh no, I need to take profit before inflation numbers come out"? It's due today. So we did see that number coming down further yesterday, 0.44%, settling still at the 65,000 level, but hanging very close, about to lose that level, and still at the 35 trillion naira mark. And we're seeing sentiment pressures in Bois Cement really brought down the market yesterday. So let's look at the sectors. I mean, the activity yesterday, we did see that activity dropping yesterday from what we had on Friday, 259.04 million units traded yesterday, valued at 4.2 billion naira, and all transacted in over 5,800 deals. Let's look at the sectors very quickly. We see banking sector down. The tier 1 banks, the Fugas were all down yesterday. Consumer goods, you see Dangote sugar popping that counter up, while cement pulled this counter down. Insurance are up. Insurance stocks, I think they're the places to be right now. It's the place to be. Oil and gas also down in yesterday's trading session. But we're bringing in Ambrose Omodion, is Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting, to give us more insights. Good morning, Ambrose.
Yeah, good morning.
It's good to have you on the program. We're seeing this, bearish starts to the market yesterday, and what's happening is should we continue seeing this, or is it just a fluke and today it's going to close in the green?
Actually, what is happening is that design investors are taking opportunity as markets consolidating at this point, and at the same time, I believe that what traders should be doing right away is that they take advantage of any rebound to take profit. For those that are, investors for medium and long term, are taking advantage of the pullback to target those fundamental stand stock to position. And don't forget that when market is consolidating like this, it creates opportunity to buy. Until it break out, as we just said, the 65,000 up, I will get around to 66 before now say a new trend is up. But for me, there's no cause for alarm as all eyes are still on the inflation figure. But if you look at the earnings that came for half year, it gives an insight where investors is looking at this point. Like the program you just had before this one, all the manufacturing sector are really not down because of what they are posting a negative report for half year. But that gives an insight to investors what to do. In any market, whether we are playing fixed income or equity market, there's what we call rotation in your portfolio. Either you call it rebalancing, anything you want to give it. Now that we are equity investor, we are seeing that there are some industries that are doing well. We do what we call a sector rotation. Move to a sector where there's opportunity. That's why I said what we're seeing in the market is that all eyes are on the five step bank to lose the result. Once it comes to the market, it will change the dynamics of the market. And at the same time, like we just said, inflation is expected today. Why tomorrow, if possible, we're likely to see assigning of a portfolio or inauguration of a new minister if it comes. And investors see the plans of this minister in industry they want to go or ministry, rolling out their plans that will guide investors on what to do. Generally, the experts think it's a problem to the economy, but in that, there's still opportunity to make money in this market. That means investors will design a model or in a kind of strategy that they target those companies, even with excess problem, their businesses or their activities will continue to look up so that if they impact their third quarter result as from October that will be hitting the market. That's how to, because today is already 15. That means I've gone half of third quarter. They're looking at the remaining few days in the quarter. It's for you to know where will you put your portfolio or put your investment to see that at the end of the day you maintain an uptrend. For those in the market sector, until CBN and government will to fix that volatility and supply dollar, those are they will still be nursing their wound. But for you as an investor, you don't need to stay in a portfolio or an investment where you know at the end of the day you won't get what return. Then move your portfolio out to what the banking sector was in today. That's why the result I've said earlier from GTP, Zenith Bank, and Access Bank, UBA, and Stanbic is very, very important. What is happening in the market? They want to change the psychology of investors, knowing that we're expected to post another FS gain. That will change the psychology of investors. Let's look to that numbers.
Okay. Mr. Ambrose, just very quickly, before I let you go, we did see the Chief Financial Officer of the Nigerian Aviation Handling Company, NACO, acquiring 1 million worth of shares. 1 million shares. Is there something, what's driving this? Is there something we should look out for in that service sector? What's fishing?
Actually, there's something going for service sector in Nigeria. But when you see an CFO or MD or executive director, non-executive, buying into their company, it tells that they have information that will likely impact positively on their performance. That's why they are taking advantage. But when you see a chairman of a company, non-executive buying, it's possible they have information, also they have money. But when you see executive that is earning salary from that company, using his own hard-earned money to buy into the company, that means there's something good or something coming at the end of the day. And also, if you compare NACO performance with others in the industry, they are already a leader. We are seeing that NACO performance in the last 3 to 5 years have been consistent, and their dividend growth has also been that direction. For that, investors think that this company is a good mine for them. And also seeing one of the directors, one or two the decision-making nobody in that company buying, it gives you that there's something happening. Look at what is happening also in Sterling Bank. Seeing the MD of Sterling Bank continue to buy, and also the deputy director, he gives investors that there's something happening. That's why I said investors is time for them to realign their portfolio in the service sector, where I believe that we are seeing a lot of potential that at the end of the day, their performance would impact on their price and also impact on their dividend payout.
Thank you so much, Ambrose Omodian, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting, for sharing that, expose insights, because it's more like investors need to know where to position in this time where Forex seems to be very scarce. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
So you see now what Ambrose is saying, that we should know where to position, not just stay, fixed in the position
to the ground,
and know where to stay.
Another case around the market is the FBN holding. There's a group of shareholders who want the AGM to hold. There's a group that does not want it. The matter is in court, and it seems the AGM is holding. So we'll see how that plays out and how it affects
investor sentiments.
Exactly. Thank you. We'll see you at 1.